Hello everyone, today we're making tandoori chicken legs. This is a classic dish originating from the Indian subcontinent that's perfect for any occasion. We need half a teaspoon of the following items: salt, crushed chilli, garlic powder, ginger powder, then quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and English mustard, 1 teaspoon chicken jalfrezi mixed, 2 teaspoon tandoori masala, 1 tablespoon tomato puree, 4 tablespoons sunflower oil, half a lemon, and 4 medium piece chicken legs with skin with cuts on it. You can tell the butcher to do the cuts for you. Just tell them you want tandoori cut marks on the chicken or show them a picture. Then mix it all together and marinate your chicken. Make sure you are getting in between the cuts too. Cover it with foil and refrigerate overnight. On the following day, start by preheating the oven for 7 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. Take the chicken out of the fridge and remove the foil, then put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Take it out after 20 minutes. Cover it in foil, then put it in the oven again for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the oven, but leave the dish inside for an additional 10 minutes to settle. Then take it out and your tandoori chicken legs are ready. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.